It's weather time now, and Josh, Brisbane could see some thunderstorms return tomorrow.
That's right, Lachlan. We could see increased activity across parts of southeast Queensland. We'll look at that in detail in just a moment as we head to the Ridges weather cam on this Monday evening. Not looking too bad outside for the journey home. 25 degrees in the city today, one below average for this time of year. Right now, though, we're sitting on 20 degrees, humidity at 63%, and the wind's gusting in the CBD at 15 kilometres per hour. But diving straight into the satellite picture across Australia, nice cold front moving over Victoria today. You can see all the speckled cloud, the cold air in behind it, and there you go, that cumulonimbus cloud redeveloping across parts of Queensland. What's that? Well, that's cloud associated with thunderstorm activity. And as we dive in for a closer look, we can see where the activity has been stretching from the northwest around the Gulf country down through central and eastern areas of the state. Some decent rainfall totals, although it has been quite sporadic. Areas like Mirranvale, just south of Gladstone, picking up around about 20 millimetres of rainfall. Moving into the big picture now, what we've got is an upper level trough moving across southern Queensland over the next couple of days. That will combine with a surface trough. Now, what does all that weather mumbo jumbo mean? Basically, some colder air in the upper levels of the atmosphere moving across the south. That will make the atmosphere marginally unstable. Now, when that happens, we could see thunderstorms develop anywhere east of this trough line, in particular through eastern parts of Queensland. The predicted rain chart shows us exactly where. You can see it will stretch from those northern areas again down through central parts, but we will see a concentration around southeast Queensland. In fact, moisture is building through eastern Queensland at the moment. Of course, thunderstorms feast off that moisture, and we could see some isolated heavy falls in some areas with any thunderstorm activity as we get through Tuesday afternoon. Moving into the big picture tomorrow, 23, partly cloudy for Perth. Melbourne looking nice, 17. A little bit of snap, crackle and pop for Sydney as well, with a top of 24. Moving into Queensland, a slight to medium chance of showers and storms about southeastern and central districts, more likely about the far southeast, the Wide Bay and the Carnarvon Ranges. Into the southeast we go, a medium chance of showers, most likely in the late morning and afternoon, with the chance of thunderstorms, as you can see on screen. Overnight temperatures falling to between 8 and 13 degrees, daytime temperatures reaching the mid to high 20s. Out on the bay tomorrow, we'll see variable winds around about 10 knots, becoming northerly 15 to 20 knots in the middle of the day. Seas below 1 metre, but increasing to around 1 metre around about midday. 5:30 a.m, the sun will be rising up and out of bed as we check the Brisbane City forecast. A shower or two, possible storm. Probably not a bad idea to take that brolly with you for your journey to and from work. Moving into the extended forecast, we've got a possible shower again returning over Wednesday and Thursday, and those temperatures also rising up from 26 degrees tomorrow up to 28 Wednesday and then 29 for Thursday and Friday before starting to cool down again as we get to the beginning of the weekend. Grand final day also looking warm and sunny, guys, for those outside barbecues.
Yeah, warming up nicely. Thank you, Josh.
That's good.
But that is 10 Eyewitness News for now. We'll be back tomorrow at 5.
Until then, thanks for your company. Good night.
Good night.